Hello, today we'll be talking about Super Wind Turbine project made by MJ, Magic, Ploy, and Ing. So let's get started. So first off, what is our project about? In this project, we will be building on our toy car based off the materials of car wheels, wood, and other supplies. In this project, we wanted to aim for using the energy from the wind turbine that we will build to put into the toy car that will move based on that without using battery, of course. And we started off by cutting our parts first on the toy car, and we also continued with figuring out what styles of wind turbine we wanted to use for our design, since if the wind turbine doesn't spin as properly when we use the hairdryer, then it wouldn't be effective and it wouldn't move the toy car. In this case, we had to run multiple tests on this, which we will mention later in the video. First off, we put the toy car together by using the wood platter we use and cut them up and build the toy car. Our toy car is quite small, but what our aim is to make it as light as possible so it would be more effective to move it. And we also had to use iron rods to have the toy cars move by using the wheels that we bought. And afterwards, we just put it in together and built the toy car. After finishing our toy car, we had to build our wind turbines, since at first we initially planned to just build the toy car and make the car move by using batteries, but since that isn't effective enough, we decided to go for our initial plan, which is to use the wind turbine energy to put into the toy car. And we came across some struggles while making the wind turbine work, since our first design on the wind turbine is to use the ping pong balls. At first, we didn't cut them up. We instead just stick the sticks into the balls, which doesn't work as well. So instead, we cut the ping pong balls in half and make them face the same way to sort of like a water wheel, which, yes, it doesn't work as well. So instead, we found a complete wind turbine already in use on it and see what could be fixed. Further on, we tried many styles on what we could do with this, since we know full well that it doesn't work with the ping pong balls. So we tried to build another wind turbine instead by using the same materials and looks as the completed one. After making so many designs, we decided to make a measurement of energy going through it, which is the volts and our attempts on it. So the wind turbines we made was, the first version is the red small fan-like plastic one, which is the completed one. The second version is the half ping pong balls that we mentioned, which is the first design we did. The third version is the cutting board, or the future board one. And the fourth one is the green and longer length plastic one we also found, which is similar to the smaller fan like plastic. The fifth one we used a wooden plank, and the sixth one we went with origami paper and folded them. In this one we'll be mainly focusing on the origami paper one since we build it up easily. And we started our first attempt. As you can see, this is the results of it and how we planned on designing the wind turbine. It took a lot of work and it did work, but the ones we built ourselves didn't work as well. Our first attempt is around 3.94 seconds, which is our first attempt. The second attempt is 3.97 seconds. Third attempt is 3.76 seconds. And as you can see, the further we go with this, it continues with our plans on making the wind turbine as effective as possible. The problem is also on the designs of the wind turbine. It's quite hard to find an accurate one aside from the proper one already. So yes, I hope you enjoy seeing the process of our project, and yeah, thank you.